Admiral Chase, tell us about the state of the state. Well, give us 30 seconds for those that might not know. What is DODIN, as it's commonly referred to? And then give us a state of the state about what's happening across that program these days.
Sure. Joint Force Headquarters DODIN is a component underneath the U.S. Cyber Command. Our primary mission areas are to secure, operate, and defend DoD networks globally. And as we look at cybersecurity within that and the secure and operate portion of this, our first priority is to enable missions across all of DoD. First and foremost, the cyber one, over which much of the department's command and control runs, as well as that of all the other mission partners that we have throughout the Department of Defense. So as we say cybersecurity, we're looking primarily to tame complexity and scale across the entire department, making sure we understand not compliance rather, but risk, and something we have to manage every day, because it's sad to say that DoD networks are not perfect on a daily basis, but it's something we can always aspire to make better and therefore assure missions, add resiliency to our spaces, and make sure that we can help others bring their mission to fruition. So as we look across that, we're trying to look at the department's risk from a defense in depth perspective. First and foremost among those is, what are the internet-facing pieces? So in order to do that, we use a tool called Expanse under Palo Alto right now to do internet operations, where we can see what adversaries might see. And we look at this daily to make sure that we are continuing to sharpen our own sword, making sure that we reduce the risk to the least possible level on that, first and foremost, and then we work back inwards based on the priority of mission. So throughout today, I'll talk about that sort of risk profile, and by that I mean we look at the vulnerabilities times the threats times the likelihood of this, and then the impact of the mission that they might affect.
Yeah.